All right, guys, welcome to another video. Today, this video is going to be a little bit different. This video is geared towards those moms, those wives, those girlfriends, those sisters of those that don a glorious beard. So, we're going to be talking about gifts for that bearded man. All right, so stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug. I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. So today we're going to talk about a couple gift ideas for that bearded man in your life, whether it be your son, your boyfriend, your husband, your brother-in-law, whatever it may be. That's what we're going to talk about, some gift ideas. Now, your brother-in-law, your son, your husband, he may already have some of this stuff, but I bet he doesn't have all of it, and that's what this is about. For the guys watching this video, share this video with that person who's looking for gift ideas for you. All right, so the first thing we're going to start out with is really a good pair of trimming scissors. All right, sharp, good pair with a decent blade. We like these to trim our mustache and to trim those flyaway beard hairs. All right, so a good pair of these goes a long way. They're awesome, and yes, you can never have more than enough pair. I have a pair on my bathroom sink. I have a pair in my toiletry bag for when I travel. That way I don't have to remember if I packed it or not. I have it. All right, so there's that. Everything I talk about, I'm going to have a link for it in the description below, so you can easily find the link to these items. But a good pair of trimming scissors. All right, that's number one. I'm not going to number these because I'm going to lose count. A good boar's hair bristle brush. That's the next thing we're going to talk about. So like from the length of my beard is, I use this occasionally. Main thing I use it for is to get these sides and to get that straightened out a little bit, but that is what I like a good brush for. Make sure it's 100% boar's hair bristle. That means a lot. It goes a long way. The guys are going to understand why, but a boar's hair bristle brush, it's a lot harder to say multiple times, but yes, that's a good thing to add in the Christmas list. Next thing, and this is going to sound a little bit crazy, but I can tell you that I use this every day. Just a spray bottle. But this is different than just a spray bottle because it does a mist. All right, so it's really awesome when my beard is dry and I need to apply product. I'm able to just spritz it with a mist that I know it's going to come out as a mist. There's that. So it's really awesome to have this. It's a really good bottle, and all it does is a mist. You don't have to worry about adjusting it. It's going to come out as a mist every single time. So a good spray bottle. Next, yes, it's pink, but don't judge me. So a detangling brush, or comb, excuse me, a detangling comb. These are awesome. I use this every single morning and every single night before I go to bed. Once I apply product, this works great to comb that product through my beard and to get rid of any tangles. It is a detangling comb. It gets rid of the tangles. I love it. It's awesome. And they're a couple bucks. They're not much. So yes, detangling comb. You don't have to get him pink. Any color will work, but they work great. Next, this actually came in a pack of, I think, about 12. I'll put a link in the description below, but these are, I think they were called bamboo. I don't know if they're actual bamboo, but these combs are fine tooth. All right, so it came in a kit with multiple different combs. One I used to carry in my pocket all the time until it broke, but they are awesome. They work great for when I am blow drying or straightening my beard. This is a finer tooth, so it works better to add that tension to straighten my beard. I don't use this every day. I really only use this when I am applying heat to my beard. If I'm using a blow dryer and applying heat, that's when I use this bad boy. It works really good, but it also is in a pack of, like I said, either 10 or 12 combs. So it gives me one to leave in my vehicle, to leave in my toiletry bag, to put in my pocket, to leave in various places. So I always have a comb on the ready. So this one's really awesome. But like I said, it does come in a multiple pack, so you don't have to buy just one. So there you go. And then the last thing on my gift list, Brio Beardscape. You cannot go wrong with a Brio. I love this bad boy. Not only do I use it for my head hair, but I also use it for beard trims. It is awesome. Love it. It comes, if you buy the kit, it comes with multiple guards. They have a sleeve that you can put on it, a silicone sleeve that you can get for travel or anything like that. It comes, if you buy the kit, it comes in a case, has the guards, has a zero blade. But I use this, I love it, for trimming up these flyaways, trimming up my beard, both on the sides and on the bottom. Every now and then, I don't do it too often, but it has multiple settings. You can adjust your clippers. It's really awesome, rechargeable, comes with a little docking station, but this is the Brio Beardscape, a really awesome tool. I'm gonna tell you, after all this stuff I've talked about, if you've made it this long and you're looking for a gift idea for your bearded family member, don't buy them beard oil unless you know what kind they like. If you know what kind they like, buy it, but do not buy something that you're not sure of. Most guys with beards, we're particular about what we put in our beards, and if you're not familiar with what we like, don't buy beard oil, okay? Don't buy beard products unless you've asked specifically or they've told you specifically. These are some tools of the trade that we like and are very useful. So if your man doesn't have any of this stuff, he could use it, all right? These are all things that I use almost every single day, and they work fabulously. So this is the most expensive. Everything else, stocking stuffers. So I'll have links to every bit of this in the description below. Go check them out and make the decision. And yeah, give the gift for the bearded man. They'll appreciate it. So guys, if you made it this long, make sure to share this video to that person who's looking for a gift for you. It don't matter. Don't matter who it is. It could be the office. Share it with the office. Say, hey, you guys watch this. Y'all want to buy me a gift? Watch this. Y'all know what to get me. So there you go. Hope you found this video helpful and useful. Tell me if there's anything I missed, guys. Tell me if there's anything I missed in the comments below. Yeah, I'll see you in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.